Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi Q7 manually. First, locate the designated key fob slot or area within your vehicle. This method is crucial when your key fob battery is weak or completely dead. It ensures you can still get your Audi running without any hassle. We'll walk through each step clearly, making it easy to follow along and get your car started quickly and efficiently. Finding the correct spot for your key fob is the next critical step. In many Audi Q7 models, you'll find a specific slot or marked area in the center console, often near the cup holders or armrest. For other versions, you might need to hold the key fob directly against a designated spot on the steering column. This allows the car to read the key's transponder even with a low battery. Once your key fob is correctly positioned, the process becomes straightforward. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply press the engine start/stop button as you normally would. The car's system will now be able to detect the key's signal, even if its internal battery is depleted. This should allow your Audi Q7 to start without any issues, getting you back on the road. If your Audi Q7 still doesn't start after following these steps, consider a few things. First, confirm that your car's main battery isn't completely discharged, as this manual method only bypasses a dead key fob battery. Always replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. If problems continue, it's best to consult an authorized Audi service center for further diagnosis and assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.